Mastering data preparation. You compromise data quality and integrity if you neglect data provenance and lineage during preparation. What specific types of metadata, such as data provenance and data lineage, does one typically collect during the data preparation process to ensure data quality and integrity? During the data preparation process, it is essential to collect various types of metadata to ensure data quality and integrity. Metadata provides context and information about the data, which helps in tracking its origin, movement, and transformations throughout the data pipeline. The following specific types of metadata are typically collected during data preparation. 1. Data provenance. This type of metadata captures the origin and history of the data, including its creation, modification, and movement. Data provenance helps in tracking the data's lineage, ensuring that the data is trustworthy, and identifying any errors or discrepancies that may have occurred during the data processing pipeline. 2. Data lineage. Data lineage metadata provides a detailed record of the data's origins, including the sources, processes, and transformations involved in creating the dataset. This metadata helps in understanding the data's history, ensuring that the data is accurate and reliable, and identifying any errors or inconsistencies that may have occurred during data processing. 3. Data ownership. This type of metadata identifies the individuals or organizations responsible for creating, managing, and maintaining the data. Data ownership metadata helps in establishing accountability, ensuring that the data is accurate and up-to-date, and resolving any issues or disputes related to data ownership. 4. Data quality metrics. Data quality metrics metadata captures information about the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of the data. This metadata helps in evaluating the data's quality, identifying areas for improvement, and ensuring that the data meets the required standards and specifications. 5. Data source information. This type of metadata provides information about the original source of the data, including the system, application, or device that generated the data. Data source information metadata helps in understanding the data's context, ensuring that the data is relevant and reliable, and identifying any potential biases or limitations. 6. Data transformation history. Data transformation history metadata captures information about the transformations, aggregations, and summarizations performed on the data. This metadata helps in understanding the data's evolution, ensuring that the data is consistent and accurate, and identifying any errors or inconsistencies that may have occurred during data processing. 7. Data security and access control. This type of metadata captures information about the security measures and access controls in place to protect the data. Data security and access control metadata helps in ensuring that the data is secure, protecting sensitive information, and controlling access to authorized personnel. 8. Data format and structure. Data format and structure metadata provides information about the data's format, structure, and organization. This metadata helps in understanding the data's layout, ensuring that the data is consistent and readable, and facilitating data integration and analysis. 9. Data refresh and update cycles. This type of metadata captures information about the frequency and schedule of data updates, refreshes, and backups. Data refresh and update cycles metadata helps in ensuring that the data is up-to-date, fresh, and reliable, and identifying any potential issues or inconsistencies. 10. Data retention and archiving. Data retention and archiving metadata provides information about the policies and procedures for retaining, archiving, and disposing of data. This metadata helps in ensuring that the data is properly managed, stored, and retained, and reducing the risk of data loss or corruption. By collecting and managing these types of metadata during the data preparation process, organizations can ensure data quality and integrity, reduce the risk of errors and inconsistencies, and improve the overall reliability and trustworthiness of the data.